Hello, I'm Dina Martin, the Woodland Community College librarian and Colusa and Lakes librarian too. I'm here to share some resources that have been developed by the library and at the Student Success Center's Reading and Writing Center that students can benefit from. We welcome your student and faculty input about anything related to these resources. These resources include teleconferenced workshops with corresponding Canvas modules and recorded workshops delivered to both Lake, Colusa, or our distance education students through Canvas. Let me start by showing the workshop calendar. The workshop calendar is available on several websites, including Lake's Library's website. I'm going to show the calendar from the WCC webpage because that works for both Colusa and Lake students. One way to locate this calendar is through the Woodland Library's Assistance and Research webpage at the bottom. If you click a workshop title, it will open a flyer with additional details. The workshops we will teleconference are highlighted in teal and indicate Lake's room 908 and Colusa room 1. Besides the teleconference workshops, students also have the opportunity to watch fully online workshops, which are pre-recorded and available at any time. There are currently 6 fully online workshops available, and we plan to expand the number for future semesters. Some of the recorded workshops are listed at the bottom of the calendar, and a full list is available from the Canvas homepage for the Academic Success Workshops Canvas shell that I will show you next. Students can obtain access to the Academic Success Workshops using several methods. Students can click the self-enrollment link and enroll themselves. Students can also visit either Candace Goodman, Lake's Library Media Technician, or Caroline Prieto, Instructional Associate for the Colusa Campus Writing Tutors, where they can be signed up and given a short orientation to the workshops and modules. Workshops, or the modules, include an introduction, the presentation used for review, a quiz for students to check their learning, a discussion post, and other activities or resources to help reinforce a workshop's outcomes. Examples of other activities include worksheets or the option to upload a file to see a Turnitin originality report. Workshops with recordings are labeled as online workshops. At WCC, many instructors offer incentives, usually extra credit, to have students attend the workshops or ask the students to complete the quiz for credit. If you'd like to provide input on these workshops, you can contact Jolene Torres, Instructional Associate for Language Arts and part-time English faculty, or me, Dina Martin, the librarian. Here's our contact information for you. One other exciting resource that I wanted to share has to do with our Makerspaces 3D printers. Faculty and students at Lake and Colusa are welcome to submit 3D print jobs, and the 3D objects can be delivered to Lake or Colusa. Print jobs are submitted on the WCC Library's website. We are also offering $500 to $1,000 stipends to faculty for developing curriculum related to the Makerspace. Information is located on the Makerspace website, and I can answer any additional questions or provide assistance if you choose to take advantage of the stipend available this semester. Contact me if you have any questions about the Makerspace or the stipends. Thank you for watching.